Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create template on Capcut and how to post your template on Capcut. So guys, if you want to create and post your template on Capcut, then this video is for you. So guys, simply you need to follow these steps. So guys, first of all, you have to open your Capcut app. So guys, simply you have to open that app. So guys, if not have, you need to open your app store. And guys, after this you have to search here Capcut app. And guys, after this simply you have to download this app in your iPhone. So guys, I have already downloaded this app on my iPhone. So guys, if you have already downloaded, simply you have to open that app. And guys, after this you have to click on here is the option of me. First of all, you have to sign in your Capcut with any account. So guys, as you can see here, I have signed in with my Apple ID. So guys, you can sign in your Capcut with Google, Facebook and TikTok as well. And guys, after this, from here you need to create your new project. Simply you have to click on this tab, and guys, from here you have to create your new template. So guys, as you can see here, you can edit your video from here easily. And guys, after this simply you have to click on export. And guys, when your video is exported, then guys, you will see at the below the option of post your template. So guys, because I have not CapCut creator, so guys, if you are CapCut creator, then guys, you will find here the option of post. Then guys, you will be able to post easily your template. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.